Hey guys, it's Rachel in OKC again. Unbelievably, I have been uploading to YouTube for about 6 weeks now. And the first piece of content that I ever uploaded was short, just walking for a little bit along Lake Hefner. And Lake Hefner is huge, and there are a ton of things to see at Lake Hefner. So now that I've been doing this for a little while and I have a lot of ideas and a lot of things that I want to show people, I thought what I would do today on this beautiful day is come back and show more of the lake and more of the things at the lake. So let's take a walk. There's a ton of walking paths and bike paths here that's really nice. Kind of windy today. I'm sure you can hear, but it's such a nice day and such a nice walk out to the lighthouse. There's a couple of benches over here by the lighthouse to sit and watch the water. It's so beautiful. You can see the boat dock in the distance. There's always so many cool birds and water, wildlife, turtles around this area.